In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new user to your Facebook Ads Manager account. So the first thing you need to do is head over to an internet browser and in the URL section, type in adsmanager.facebook.com and hit enter. Now that you're on the Facebook Ads Manager page, there's essentially two different ways to add a new user to your account. Now this really depends on whether you're using a personal ad account or a business ads account. So I'm going to start by running you through how to do this on a personal Facebook ads account. And what you need to do is come down to this drop down over here. And first of all, just select the ads account that you want to add this person to. Once you've selected your account, click on the settings icon in the left-hand navigation. Then from here, click on account controls. Then all you need to do is scroll down until you see add account roles. And then to add a new user to your ad account, just click on add people. And from here, you'll be able to type in the name of the person that you want to add. Now you need to ensure that you have this person as a friend on Facebook. And once you've selected the person that you want to add, click on the drop down next to it and select the type of account you want to grant this person. Now, if you want to give them full access to your account, including billing information, then you want to make sure you make this account an admin. If you want to allow this person to make changes to your ads, but you want to restrict them from the billing information, then you can select account advertiser. If you want this person just to be able to see the data of how well your ads are performing, then you want to select account analyst. But for me, I'm going to select admin and then press confirm. So that's the first way you can add someone to your ad account. Now, the second way, if you're using a business ads manager account, is to come back over to the main ads manager website. And then in the drop down, you just want to select your business ads manager account. Now, just like before, we're going to click on the settings icon from the left-hand side. Then from the left underneath the users, click on people and then click on invite people in the top right-hand side. So what you need to do is just type in the email address of the person you want to add to this business manager account. Then click on next, select the type of access that you want to grant this person. I'm just going to be giving them full control over everything. And you can even go into the advanced options here and decide exactly what types of things you want to display to this user. Then finally, click on next again. Select the account that you want to grant permission for. Toggle on all of the permissions that you want to grant to this user. So you can just scroll down to the bottom and select full control over everything and then click on invite. And that's the second way you can invite someone to your ads manager account. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.